Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue of the media player application not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So search for media player in the Windows search bar and click on the forward pointing arrow associated with it. And then you can select app settings, scroll down and then select terminate, select repair, and finally click on reset and then on reset once again. This will repair and reset the app. Wait till you get a tick mark here. Now in most of the cases this will fix the problem, but if it does not, then simply uninstall the application, then search for store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store, and then search for media player and then go to the Windows media player application and click on install. This will reinstall the media player application. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.